Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Mowat. I work for RS Aqua. We're a producer of ocean science technology. Primarily, we are providing the acoustic monitoring equipment that's going on each of the boats. One of the main things that the race is doing for the first time ever is producing a soundscape all the way around Great Britain. So what we've done, this is one of the rudders that's going on one of the boats. We've actually embedded a broadband hydrophone into this rudder. It looks like this, and it's basically positioned somewhere around here, and it's cabled up through the rudder, and then it's going to go onto one of our recorders to monitor noise, to monitor the likes of the anthropogenic noise, but also to monitor for marine mammals and other biological life in the ocean. They usually look like this. Hope that was useful. Just want to say thanks to GB Rowe. If there's any questions about any of that, please just get in touch. Cheers.